Welcome to Mindfulness Monday. As we approach the winter solstice, let's take a moment to prepare our hearts and minds for the turning of the season. Breathe in deeply and allow yourself to arrive fully in this present moment. Place your hands gently over your heart if it feels comfortable. Feel its steady rhythm, a reminder of life and warmth in the midst of winter. With each inhale, draw in calm, stillness, and clarity. And with each exhale, release tension, worries, and all that no longer serves you. Imagine a soft light growing within your chest, filling you with warmth and gentle energy. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw release, and your heart open just a little more. Whisper quietly to yourself, I prepare my heart for the coming light. I release what no longer serves me. I hope you can carry this calm, clarity, and gentle presence into your week. May this mindfulness guide you toward the winter solstice with ease and grace.